In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently use Filmora to enhance your video projects. We'll be learning how to insert and customize text and how to add shapes, which are fundamental skills for video editing that can bring a professional touch to your creations. These steps are simple yet powerful, so without further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to the Filmora video editor. Filmora is a user-friendly platform that's great for both beginners and those with a bit more editing experience. To begin, open the program and familiarize yourself with its interface if you haven't done so already. Having a good grasp of where things are will make the process much smoother. Now, to insert text into your video, look for the text tool in the toolbar. It's typically represented by a T icon. Click on this to add a text box to your project timeline. You'll notice that the text box appears where you can start typing. Double-click on it to bring up the text editing options. This is where you can change your font style, size, color, and more. Experiment with these settings to find what works best for the aesthetic you're aiming for. Customizing text is crucial because it can significantly affect the mood and clarity of your video, so take your time to get it just right. Once you're happy with your text, let's move on to adding shapes. In the bottom right corner of your screen, you'll see an option labeled Advanced. Click on this to reveal more editing features, then select Add Shape. Filmora provides a variety of shapes to choose from, such as rectangles, circles, arrows, and more. Adding shapes can help emphasize parts of your video or even guide the viewer's attention to where you want it to be. You can resize the shapes and adjust their colors to complement your video's design. Shapes can also serve as backgrounds for your text, which can make it pop against a busy video background or provide a clearer visual hierarchy. Once you've inserted and customized your text and shapes and are satisfied with how they look, you've reached a natural stopping point. It's a good idea to play back your video at this stage to ensure everything aligns perfectly and harmonizes with the rest of your content. Check that the timing works and feels right within the context of your video. This will not only ensure everything looks good, but also maintains the quality and flow of your final project. And there you have it. Your video now looks more polished and engaging with the help of text and shapes. With these skills under your belt, you can further explore Filmora's features to continue enhancing your video projects. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment until you find your unique style. Thanks for joining me today, and happy editing.